If you want to save your battery from sulfation, overheating during charging, and voltage spikes that can permanently damage it, watch this video until the end before it's too late. I'll show you how to charge it the proper way so you can become a true battery master. Let's get started. The worst thing that can happen during charging is voltage spikes. They heat up your battery and slowly kill it. I'll show you how to connect the battery properly so this situation never happens. The most important rule: never connect a charger this way when the battery is still connected to the car. Voltage spikes caused, for example, by a loose terminal can damage the electronics, especially in modern vehicles. That's why you should always disconnect the battery first and only then connect it to the charger. The only exception is when your car has a dedicated charging terminal, like the one you can see on the screen now. In that case, disconnecting the battery cables is not necessary. Now let's get to the specifics. Connecting the charger in the correct order is crucial to avoid creating a circuit that can cause a short. So how do you do it properly? First, I connect the positive clamp, making sure it is firmly attached. Next, I connect the negative clamp, which allows us to read the voltage now visible on the charger. And with the voltage I see here, I know that the battery is not yet in terrible condition. You can now see on the screen how to roughly determine the battery's level of discharge. Finally, I plug the device into the power outlet and only then start the appropriate charging program. After the battery is fully charged, the safe way to disconnect the charger is in the reverse order. First, I disconnect the power supply, then I remove the negative clamp, and finally, I disconnect the positive cable. Now, your car is safe. Be sure to check out my latest video about the complete rebuild of the glow plug system. Good luck!